What's going on? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've got an interesting one today. It's from a Zen Pop box. You've probably seen my unboxing videos. There's the sheet. These are all the things that came in the November pack, which is some pretty cool stuff. I'm doing a couple today. The next one you'll see tomorrow or whenever. Yeah. This is the Kuta Hamburger Ramen from Maruchan. There you go. And there you go. You notice it's got all this hamburgery looking stuff going on in there. It says, this is the Hamburger Ramen Kuta Hamburger Ramen of Kuta. So excited to present it. Please enjoy the ramen. It will give you great satisfaction as never before. So, there you go. Oh yeah, how long does this take? Uh-oh. 260 mil, 3 minutes. And here we go. Yeah. So, how's everybody doing? The last one of these I did was for the, God, what did I do yesterday? I did the Super Spicy Noodle Challenge of, oh God, what was it called? Cully's World's Hottest Ramen Noodles from New Zealand. Who'd have thunk it? They mean business, and yeah, they kicked my butt. In fact, I still feel kind of funky from that, and it's been almost 24 hours, so that's kind of kooky. But you know, what do? You gotta. I mean, I've got a top 10 spicy list. What am I supposed to do here? I gotta eat it. Gotta give it a try. This one seems to look much mellower, and the one I will do after this looks mellower too. And I don't know if you've been reading the site lately. I got some pretty annoying comments, and in the last couple months, I've been like ultra gung-ho on like losing weight, getting exercise, and all this stuff, and then I just get something out of the blue like, you're gonna be in a shop, you're gonna be in a mobile cart within 10 years. You're ruining your life and blah 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 blah. And it's just like, I love it when people just want to offer their opinions freely. It's like, ooh, what a bargain. Opinions, they're so easy to, they're so hard to find these days. Thank God for the people that want to offer them up for free. But anyways, yeah, enough about that. Not really butthurt about it, but just like annoyed. This looks interesting, I will say. Make sure you can see that. Yeah, you can see it. But yeah, it's becoming more moist by the moment. Enjoying the moistness and the music. I believe this is, I think it's Mozart. It might not be though. My dad didn't know. He was a big classical music aficionado. I mean, he was one of those classical music buffs that had like bookcases full of classical music records that like wrapped around his entire room and stuff. So anyways, 12 seconds left to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And alright. Yeah, kind of doing things backwards today. I had to edit that spicy noodle video this morning. So I'm... Ooh. I lost a piece of hamburger. I think I'll skip on that. But, actually here, let's Ooh, I'm gonna eat instant noodles. And I'm gonna spill them. Wow. So here's the broth with a piece of hamburger in it. God, it does taste like a cheeseburger. I believe somewhere it was mentioned that the broth has like mayo in it to make it taste more like a cheeseburger. That's pretty good. I mean, it's meaty, that's for sure. It's I had one before that had hamburger in it, and you know what? This one tastes a lot like that one. Ah, an open cabinet. It tastes a lot like that one, I remember. And what that one and this one remind me of is, God, what do you call it? This one is Hamburger Helper, really. I mean, very, very I mean, it's, look at it. I mean, doesn't it even look like Hamburger Helper? Come on. But I mean, I could totally sit here and chow this down, but I'm not going to. You know what happens here. What do we want to throw in? You know, I don't think there's a whole lot we need to do to this, really. It's kind of a set plate. Some lovely spring onion. I could put some togarashi. I've got an egg, but I'm not slapping an egg on that. Oh! The lid has pictures of sesame seeds on it. Check it out. This is the lid. So, why not put some sesame seeds on it? That kind of makes sense, right? I mean, I could put a bun on it too, but I'll get into the spirit of things with a couple sesame seeds. More than a couple, I guess. But anyways, there you go. There is your, did I really throw that in? Yeah, I did. I'll pull it out of the trash. That is the Maruchan Kuta hamburger ramen from Japan. And cool. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.